To get started, open a web browser and search for Vinted in the search bar. From the search results, click on the Vinted.com website, which will direct you to the site. Upon arrival, you'll notice a search bar, inbox, notifications, and membership options, as well as your profile and a Sell Now button. You'll also see a Vinted guide and language selection option. To proceed, sign in by clicking on one of the available buttons and filling out the required information. Once you've completed the sign-in process, you'll gain access to the Vinted site. From there, click on your profile option, which will lead you to a page with various settings, including profile settings, personalization, balance, orders, and logout options. Select the Settings option, and you'll be presented with a range of choices, such as profile settings, account settings, postage, payments, bundle, vacation, privacy settings, and security. Click on Postage and you'll see options to add your shipping address or view delivery options. To add your postage, click on Add Your Shipping Address, where you can enter your shipping information, including your full name and country of residence. Please note that any information displayed is fictional and for demonstration purposes only. If you find this information helpful, you can show your appreciation by liking or sharing the content. Additionally, you can opt to receive notifications about similar topics or new updates. Thank you for taking the time to follow these steps, and you'll be guided through the process again in the next tutorial.